Hello, children. Now we are going to have fun finding the farm animals. What farm animal is it? It is a hen. Hens are female chickens known for laying eggs. They are domesticated birds raised for both their eggs and meat. What farm animal is it? It is a pig. Pigs are intelligent and social animals that are raised for their meat, known as pork. They come in various breeds and are often kept on farms in pens or barns. What farm animal is it? It is a duck. Ducks are waterfowl with distinctive webbed feet. They are kept on farms for their eggs, duck meat, and feathers. Ducks are known for their quacking sounds and can be found on both land and water. What farm animal is it? It is a sheep. Sheep are domesticated ruminant mammals raised for their wool, meat, lamb, or mutton, and milk. They are social animals that often graze in flocks. What farm animal is it? It is a cow. Cows are large domesticated mammals primarily raised for their milk, meat, beef, and leather. They are herbivores and are often kept in herds on farms. What farm animal is it? It is a camel. Camels are large animals with distinctive humps. They are well adapted to desert environments and are used for transportation and carrying goods in many parts of the world. What farm animal is it? It is a rooster. A rooster is an adult male chicken, known for their distinctive crowing. Roosters are often kept on farms for breeding purposes and to protect the flock. What farm animal is it? It is a rabbit. Rabbits are small mammals known for their long ears and hopping gait. They are kept as pets for their fur and also for rabbit meat in some cultures. What farm animal is it? It is a goat. Goats are raised for milk, meat, and fiber. They're known for being agile and are often seen grazing in different environments. What farm animal is it? It is a donkey. Donkeys are domesticated members of the horse family, known for their strength and endurance. They are used for various tasks on farms, including carrying loads and pulling carts. That's all we learned today. See you in the next farm animal lesson. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe Bumblebee for more videos like this.